This holiday season, you may be wondering to brie or not to brie.
Well, this should help answer that question.
Warm, creamy brie,
Topped with a luscious cranberry-orange sauce.
toasty pecans.
And a drizzle of sweet honey.
After one bite, your guests will declare,
To brie.
to brie it is! Oh my gosh, that was a fun one. We had a good time with that one.
Yes.
Guys, I'm telling you, I mean, I don't know why would you ever not brie. But I mean,
No.
especially during the holidays.
And baked.
Oh, and this topping is to die for. So anyway, I've
get
got a
going.
cup of fresh cranberries. During the holiday season, they are so easy to find. They're in the produce section. If you can't find them, you can go with frozen.
And I am getting the juice of 2 oranges in here.
And you're going to need about a third a cup of that.
I'm
okay?
gonna squeeze 2?
Yeah, go ahead. If you get a little pulp in there, no big deal. If you absolutely hate pulp, you can do this over a bowl and then strain it. I've got right here a 1/4 cup of sugar.
Okay.
It's a little sweet and a little citrusy.
that,
And then
guys.
I've got, this is the zest from one of those oranges,
Okay.
which is about a teaspoon.
And I'm still juicing.
Juice away, baby.
Okay, here we
And
go.
then
One
we've
more.
got, then I've got a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. All of those classic holiday flavors.
That.
Turn this down just a little bit.
Ooh-wee. Those are popping.
I know that's the great thing about these cranberries is they're if you put them on there uncooked, they're gonna be kind of hard to bite into. But then as they simmer and it does not take long, they open up. They just release this juice and it
So good. Now, if you were wondering what we were making, let me show you. It says it right here.
Brie, yeah.
So this is a great dish. We're just gonna throw this in the oven and let it roast for like 17. That's a 16
That's a
ounce?
16-ounce wheel of brie. You can find them in the specialty cheese section of most supermarkets. You can do an 8-ounce. This is going to serve a nice gathering of people, probably 8 to 10
yes,
people.
exactly.
If you're
That's
doing
great.
a small, you could do the 8-ounce. And we did not cut the rind off.
No.
Thank you, Vanna.
I laugh at Chris because he likes to get these dishes that have words on them. Anyway, I'm
And
putting
it's not
this in
even abbreviated. Okay, so we've got our oven preheated to 375 degrees. All you want to do is get it melty. Don't overcook it because then it gets a little oily and it separates.
Yes.
Like you said, 15 to 17 minutes. This is already looking
That's
brilliant.
looking great. Oh, hear them pop.
Hear them pop. It's like
Crack, jack, a pop.
No, chestnuts croaking on the. Anyway. What is it? Anyway,
Chestnuts
we haven't
roasting
even
on
been-
the open
we've
fire.
not been drinking eggnog, I promise. And so this is going to take about 15 minutes just for that to be done, and then we're going to have the most beautiful.
It'll be unbelievable.
It will be.
I stole that from you.
Thank you. Okay, and just like that, it's Christmas.
It is.
And so, I know we've Christmasified. So this got slightly thickened. It didn't take long at all. It literally only took about 10 minutes. I added a tablespoon of butter, and you can do that in advance of this, which makes it really lovely. And then you can reheat it.
I got this.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
And now we did not, like I said, we did not take the rind off.
Oh, yes,
Because
that
then
looks
that
so
way,
good.
if you did, it's going to melt all over the place. Which, if you want that, that's fine.
I like to keep the top off.
Yeah.
Or top on.
Top on. Yeah, I mean, it's a matter of choice. Now, it's always, it's this holiday, so let's make it beautiful and festive.
Yes.
So now, okay, now this is going to go right over the top. Again, you can do the, look at that. Isn't that just
Oh, Chris.
It is just so festive. I'm telling you, talk about oohs and ahs when you do this in front of your guests.
Yeah, I think I'm oohing and awing
I'm
right
oohing
now.
and awing too. And you can.
Can I do the old?
Yeah, please do. And you
then you
can
have
do
some
this
of-
in your kitchen and bring it out, or you can do it, toasted pecans.
Toasted pecans.
This
so
is
good.
about a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, and
look
just
at that.
add that right on top.
Oh, and then the drizz. You can
Yeah.
do the drizz,
Okay,
Chris.
good. Oh, honey. So now we've got some honey that we're just going to drizzle right over the top. That a little more sweetness. I know it is such a beautiful, beautiful festive appetizer.
I'm dying.
I know.
Can we
quit talking and
Yeah.
just like?
Chris, we have to do this so that everybody can see. Why don't you?
Okay.
Here,
Oh, yeah.
I'm just gonna kind of cut it
Oh,
over
okay.
here.
You do. Oh, it's so
Oh, wow.
melty and yummy. Oh my gosh.
Oh, here we go. Oh, you guys. Okay.
I mean,
hold
this
on.
just screams holidays.
Look at that. Oh wow. Okay. I am just gonna.
Now these are you can serve this with crackers. We had some little ciabatta toast slices that we toasted, which is lovely.
Oh, Chris, you gotta hurry up.
I know this.
Oh, look at that. It's just oozing.
It is.
It is oozing.
The smell.
I love a good ooze.
I do too.
A brie ooze.
I know, it's unbelievable. Okay, we're just gonna keep
Cheers.
that joke. Yes.
Yes.
Happy holidays. Guys, that is just, it's so classic holiday deliciousness. Those pecans pair perfectly with, with the cranberries and that orange.
Put a little cranberry on mine.
Okay. Sure. Now, when you be sure you just serve it with like little serving things so people don't double dip too much or drop their brie. Yeah. Is something coming to you?
That is 1,000,000% Luna approved. I'm sorry. I got so much food in my mouth.
I'll say what he said. He said, that is 1,000,000% Loon approved. Hallelujah!
Wow. That was some crunchy bread.
That is so good. So festive, you guys.
It is so good.
The only thing that would be better is if we were all gathered around this and we were eating it together. It'd be a big crowd,
that would be
wouldn't it?
fun.
It would be. All right. We love you guys. We hope you're having a fabulous holiday season.
Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa,
whatever you observe, make it special. Make it full of loved ones.
Yes.
All right. We love you.
We love you.
Bye.